Dear students, welcome you all for the online classes. In the last video session, we have discussed about minors and cofactors of each and every elements. Under that, how to find out minors and cofactors of first row elements, second row elements, third row elements. In the same way, first column, second column and third column. In the today's session, we will take one of the important definition of matrix, that is adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a matrix says that the adjoint of a square matrix capital A is equal to Aij, n cross n is defined as the transpose of the matrix capital Aij n cross n, where capital Aij is the cofactor of the element small aij. Capital Aij is the cofactor of the element small aij, or better we can write adjoint of a square matrix is the transpose of the cofactor matrix capital A. Transpose of the cofactor matrix capital A. Adjoint of the matrix capital A is denoted by adj of A. Adjoint of the matrix capital A is denoted by small adj of A. And one of the definition, either you can write this definition or this definition, both are equal. Then what is the adjoint? Before finding the adjoint, our job is to find cofactor. Correct? Before finding the adjoint, our job is to find cofactor. Once you get the cofactor, their transpose is nothing but adjoint. Dear students, what exactly says the definition? The adjoint of a matrix says nothing but, first our job is to find cofactor. Once you find out the cofactor, their transpose, which gives what? Adjoint of a square matrix. Before that, I will take one example for the understanding purpose. This example: A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find adj of capital A. Find adj of capital A. Solution: first, cofactor of capital A. First, cofactor of 1. Cofactor of 1 is equal to A11 is equal to position is plus into 4 is equal to 4. Plus into 4 is equal to 4. After that, cofactor of 3 is equal to A12. 3 is A12. Position is minus into 2, which is nothing but minus 2. Cofactor of 2, which is nothing but A21. Position is minus of 3, position which is equal to minus 3. Position of plus minus, position is minus 3. Cofactor of 4, which is equal to A22, position is plus minus plus position plus into 1, which is equal to 1. Therefore cofactor of capital A, which is equals to what? Cofactor of capital A, which is equals to 4 minus 2. Right, we have to A, first column element and second column element, you have to write correctly. Minus 3, minus 1. Minus 3, here there will be 1. Minus 3, 1. Therefore, adjoint of capital A is nothing but cofactor of capital A, their transpose. Cofactor of capital A, their transpose, which is nothing but 4 minus 3 minus 2 1 transpose, which is nothing but what? Which is nothing but 4 minus 3 minus 2 1. 4 minus 3 minus 2 1, which is nothing but adjoint of capital A. Therefore, adjoint of capital A is nothing but 4 minus 3 minus 2 1. So, just to take one remark. Let A is equal to A, B, C, D be a square matrix of order 2 cross 2. Be a square matrix of order 2 cross 2. Then then ADJ of capital A is equal to, replace the diagonal element, that is DA, replace the diagonal element and rest element must change the sign, minus B minus C. DA, B minus C minus C. This is the example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then ADJ of capital A is equals to replace the diagonal element 4, 1. Replace the diagonal element, rest element you must change the sign, minus 2, minus 3. Look at the value, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, cofactor of A. 4 minus 3. Replace the diagonal element. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 3, 2, 4. Here there will be 1, 2, 3, 4. It becomes like that. Here also just to observe 1, 3, 2, 4 means what? 1, 3, 2, 4 and 1 interchange. 4 and 1 interchange, and rest element you are going to change the sign. Correct? 4 and 1 interchange. Just to observe 4 and 1 interchange. 3 minus 3, 2 becomes minus 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 1 interchange. 4 and 1 interchange, and rest element you must change the sign. This is the point which is important for the competitive exam purpose. This is also important for competitive exam purpose, because you cannot find out the minus and cofactors each and every time. Simply you do the calculation with the help of this remark. After that, one, there will be theorem, there will be no proof. Theorem without proof. I will write the theorem. The theorem says if capital A be any given square matrix of order n, then A into adjoint of A into A, which is equals to determinant of A into I, where capital I is the identity matrix of order. N. Our job is to show this theorem with the help of taking one example, suitable example. I will write one of the example that this theorem. What the theorem says: if A is square matrix of order n, then A into adjoint of capital A, which is equal to adjoint of A into capital A, which is the determinant of A into I, where I is the identity matrix of order n. That is square 2 cross 2. You should take I as 2 cross 2. A as 3 cross 3. You should take I as 3 cross 3. Like that. I will find out these values with the help of suitable example. Solution. Example, correct? Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Verify A into adjoint of capital A is equal to adjoint of A into A, which is equal to determinant of A into I. First one, adjoint of capital A. Adjoint of capital A is nothing but what? Solution. Adjoint of capital A is nothing but 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. Correct? Why? Because we have to use the remark replace 4 1 4 1 2 minus 2 3 minus 3. After that, A into adjoint of A. Now A into adjoint of A, which is equal to, what is the value of A? A is nothing but what? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 A into adjoint of capital A, 4 minus 2 minus 3 1. A into adjoint of A. Then what is the value? This value becomes 1 into 4, that is 4. 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6. 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2. 2 into 1 becomes 2. 3 into 4 becomes 12. 4 into minus 3, that is minus 12. 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. 4 into 1 becomes 4, which is equals to 4 into 6, that is minus 2. 0 0 minus 2 minus 2. Correct? Which is equals to minus 2, you take it as common, you write it as 1 0 0 1, which is nothing but minus 2 into this value is I. So take it as equation number 1. Equation number 1. Now adjoint of capital A, adjoint of A into capital A, which is equal to adjoint of A is nothing but 4 minus 3 minus 2 1 into A 1 3 2 4, which is nothing but 4 into 1 is 4 minus 6. 4 into 2 is 8 minus 8. After 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 3. 3 into 2 minus 6 plus 4, which is nothing but minus 2 0 0 2, which is nothing but minus 2, you take it as common, 1 0 0 1, which is nothing but minus 2 into I. Call that as equation number 2. Call that equation number 2. Now determinant of A is equal to 1 2 3 4, which is nothing but 4 minus 6, which is equal to minus 2. Call that equation number 3. From 1 2 and 3 we have A into adjoint of A, adjoint of A into A, which is equal to determinant of A into I. This is the standard result where you can prove with the help of what? By taking suitable examples. This is the class. We will take some of the adjoint of the matrix. We can find out some of the exercise problems. Just to take homework, find adjoint of the matrix. A is equal to 1 3 4 6. You take it as homework. Second one, A is equal to 1 2 minus 2 minus 3 1 minus 1 3 0 2 5 1 2 5 1. I will do a second one. a second one. I will take the second one. Find the adjoint is what? Adjoint is nothing but cofactor of the transpose of the cofactor matrix. Transpose of the cofactor matrix is called adjoint. Correct? First one you have to take solution number 2. A is equal to 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 0 2 5 1. Cofactor of capital A. Cofactor of capital A. Under that, cofactor of 1 is equal to plus 3 minus 0. I will write it as 3. Directly I will write 3 into 1 3 0. It is 3. Cofactor of minus 1, which is equal to, position is minus. You have to delete this row and this column. Correct? This row you have to, this column you have to eliminate this row. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are minus or minus plus 10. Which is equal to minus 12. 2 plus 2 becomes 12, minus 12. After that, cofactor of 2, which is nothing but position is plus position 2 into 0 0 plus 6, which is nothing but 6. Cofactor of 2, which is equal to minus, position is minus. This is get close, this get close, this minus 1 0 is equal to plus 1. After that, cofactor of 3, position is plus minus plus position. This is get close, 1 1 is 1 minus of minus plus 4, which is equal to 5. Correct? What are the values? Just observe 3 means this row eliminated, this column 1 into 1 minus or minus plus 4, 5. Cofactor of 5, which is equal to plus minus position, get close, this row get close, this column, what are the element? 1 into 0 0 minus of minus 2 minus of minus plus 2 minus, that is minus 2, which is equal to plus 2. Are you agree? 5 means this element 1 into 0 0 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 2. Cofactor of minus 2, which is nothing but plus minus 5 minus 6, which is equal to 11 minus 11. Cofactor of 0 minus 5 minus 4, which is equal to minus 1. Cofactor of 1 plus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. Correct? Cofactor of 0 means this is 5 into 1 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1 minus 1. Cofactor of 1 is 3 into 1 3 minus 1 plus 2 5. Therefore, cofactor of capital A is nothing but, you write the element first, one order wise, 3 minus 12 6 1 5 2 minus 11 minus 1 5. Therefore, the adjoint of capital A is nothing but cofactor of capital A dash. Cofactor of capital A dash, which is nothing but, what are the values of cofactor? 3 1 minus 11 minus 12 5 minus 1 6 2 5 dash, which is nothing but 3 1 minus 11 row becomes column 12 5 minus 1 6 2 5. All the row values becomes column value becomes row value. If we can judge the elements whether it is correct or not. Answer is 3 minus 12 6 152 minus 11 minus 1 5. 3 minus 12 6 3 minus 12 6 152 minus 11 minus 1 5. I hope you got the idea. In the next class we will see more problems on same minus and cofactors. Under that some of the theorem we can prove in the next class. Thank you.